Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick Blender tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a reference image in Blender 5. Reference images are extremely useful when you're modeling objects, characters, or products because they help you keep the correct proportions while you work. Let's jump right in. First, open Blender and create a new project. You'll see the default cube in the scene. If you want a clean workspace like I do, simply select the cube, press X and choose Delete. Now we have an empty scene to work with. Before adding the reference image, we want to switch to the correct view. Press numpad 1 on your keyboard to go into front view. If you don't have a numpad, you can go to the top menu, click View, then Viewpoint, and select Front. Or you can press Backtick to open MenuPie view options and choose Front. This step is important because Blender places reference images based on the view you're currently in. Now, let's add the reference image. Press Shift+A to open the Add menu. Then go to Image and select Reference. Browse to your image file, select it, and click Load Reference Image. You'll now see the image appear directly in your scene. Because we added it while in front view, the image is already aligned correctly. Next, we can adjust the position and size of the image. Use these shortcuts. Press G to move the image, press S to scale it, press R to rotate if needed. Usually, you only need to move and scale the image so it fits your workspace. Sometimes the reference image can block your view while modeling. To fix this, select the image and go to the Object Data Properties panel on the right side. Here you can adjust the opacity. Lowering the opacity makes the image slightly transparent, which makes it easier to model on top of it. To keep the reference image visible in front of your 3D meshes, set depth to front. Now the image will always render on top of your geometry in the viewport, making it much easier to model while following your reference. Once the image is in the correct position, you might want to lock it so it doesn't move accidentally. Open the Outliner panel and find your reference image object. Click the selectable icon to disable selection. Now the image will stay fixed while you work on your model. And that's how you add and use a reference image in Blender 5. This simple technique is used all the time for accurate modeling and concept recreation. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Blender tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.